Hey guys, while you're at home this week, I'm sure there are a lot of things you guys could be doing to stay busy. And we want to make sure you guys are getting moving too. And a great citizen kid is someone that helps out around the house. So today we are going to be working on some chores while we also get moving. So are you ready? Let's do it.
You wonderful little gym hip-hop kids, get in the groove and listen to this. Rule number one, when you hear the clap, please everybody clap.
When you hear the clap, let's clap together.
When you hear the clap, please everybody clap. When the clapping stops, everybody stop. Let's try it.
There you go. Brain boost, great listening.
Rule number two, when you hear the whistle of mine, spin in a circle just one time.
Listen for the
Let's
whistle.
try it.
And spin.
Now let's add the clapping.
You do both.
You little gym hip-hop dancer machines, it's time to do our weekly routine. Monday is the day to do a chore.
Grab the broom and sweep the floor.
Hey!
Can you go fast? And in a circle.
Are you clapping?
Are you? And spin.
Now step and touch to the beat till Tuesday comes. What
Ready?
a treat!
You got it.
On Tuesday we cut the grass a little lower. Grab the cord and start the lawnmower.
Cool. Can you try it on the other side?
Now nod your head to the beat till Wednesday comes.
Try it to the beat.
Wednesday morning, take a shower, then dry yourself off with your towel.
Your toes, your legs, your feet, your belly, your back, your head.
Please do some bounces to
Can you bounce?
till Thursday comes. You're so neat. On Thursdays, all the little kiddos use both hands to wash the windows.
Get down low and up high.
Now dance like a robot with your arms and hands till Friday comes. That's the plan. Friday's a day without a care. Get your balloon up, keep it in the air.
You can pretend or you can try it with a real balloon.
Now march sideways with a clap all the way to Saturday. Day or night, it doesn't matter. Saturday is when we climb up a ladder.
Climb, reach, move those knees. Fast, fast, faster, faster, faster. Can you clap up high?
Now move only your shoulders to the beat.
Only your shoulders.
Now only your hips.
Your hips.
On Sunday, we played the guitar for our mother. Play it on one side and then on the other. By the end of this rap, it's time to lay down and take a nap.
It'd be a great time to get in a nap, right? Beautiful job dancing! Thanks for joining me for some hip hop chores. We'll be back with some more fun activities a little bit later on. But I want to know what chores you guys are helping out with. So parents, comment down below. Comment, send us a picture. We want to see your citizen kids getting their brain boosted, trying this activity by listening and getting moving too, getting around to the beat, trying to stay active. Make sure you get at least 60 minutes of active time every day, inside or outside, and join us for some more fun, and we'll see you soon.